Nowadays, it has never been so easy to make a website. Before this generation, people would have to program them, and this was too difficult for most people, so they would spend way too much money just so someone could do this difficult programming for them. But nowadays, it's as easy as an internet search, and everything is given to you in the form of drag and drop. So today I'm going to be telling you how to make a website, and not only that, but the easiest and cheapest way to do it. So to start off, I'm going to say the main two cheapest, easiest, and fastest websites to build your website with would be Weebly.com and Wix.com. And I'm pretty sure that both these platforms offer almost everything that a website could offer. You can make your pages to build your website, you could add slideshows, you could add question forms, you could embed pages to other websites, and I think you could even add a search bar. And of course, you could make an online store with these websites as well. Now, these websites can be 100% free, but it's not going to meet a full sense of professionality. And I say this because of the domain name. Weebly, for example. If I don't pay for a custom website domain, meaning the link to my website, then the link would say yourbusiness.weebly.com instead of just being yourbusiness.com. So to keep the professionality and to keep it unique, I would definitely spend a little bit of money needed to get that custom URL domain name. So now that you're ready to build your website, here are the things that you should really focus on when building your website. Things like keeping your updated information on the homepage, keeping a modern design, creating powerful visuals, putting social media links and icons, putting all your important business information, these are all important things that you need to focus on in order to keep your website on the more professional level. And if you're not sure or aren't so good at graphic designing, then you can easily go to websites like Fiverr and hire someone who knows what they're doing to complete the hard work of the graphic designing, or you can research yourself on how to make yourself better at graphic designing if you have the time to. Now, once your website is made, all you have to do is click the Publish button. Then it will let you figure out what you're going to do with your domain name, and after completing the domain name, it's as simple as that you'll have your website active and published to the internet.
I don't use my phone, I've been rapping like it's the NSC. Yeah, people need to see the strengths of reality. Go make it clear that we won't see no outcome. Still a test and start to face the fears. It's easy to pretend that all the problems will just disappear. When it seems we're hurt, we'll get older, we'll just laugh it out. Worry about the things which we shouldn't even worry about. I learned that when we do not do the things to help us make it out, we build a tons of negativity that still won't air it out. At age 13, most